Hi guys, let's understand test driven development, I mean TDD, and we'll understand the first what are the rules for TDD. Okay, we have to always remember this three rule. The first is what you are not allowed to write a line of production code until you have written a failing unit of test. You are not allowed to write more of unit test that is sufficient to fail. This is the second one. And the last, that is the third one, is what you are not allowed to write more production code until you are sufficient to pass the failing test. Okay, let us understand through code now. Here we'll try to make one example in Eclipse and I will do test driven development here. Let us create one project here, say new Java project. I'll give the name here first test first TDD project. Okay, and finish it. So you can see here we have one project first TDD. Let us create one package in this. So new package and say com.tdd.example. Okay, finish it. Let's write one test first. So I'm not going to write any production code first. We'll say here new. We can say JUnit test case. Now write the test name. So I'll say here Arabic to Roman test. Okay, finish it. Add this library. So I'll try to convert from, sorry, we can do Roman to Arabic. Okay, I just rename it. Roman to Arabic test. Okay, now here we will write a test and we'll give here test for convert I to 1. Okay, so we'll take Roman and convert to Arabic. Now here we'll declare say Roman equal to new Roman. So this guy will take one argument and that is say integer. It will take one, give me I. Okay, like the Roman value of 1. We'll call the method. So Roman dot to Arabic. So this guy will convert me and return me integer Arabic. Okay. So Do we have this class? No, right? What we'll do? As you are bringing cursor here, you are getting create class Roman, or you can also try like this. If you're keeping cursor here, just say control 1. So create class Roman. Okay. Say finish. So you got the class here. Can you see here? This is your class, Roman class. Okay. Now we need to put a constructor here, so it should have an integer argument. Now again we can say here control 1 and create constructor. Now you got the constructor here, right? Now here we'll just rename, so it is taking Arabic here, right? Just a moment. Yes. So we'll say here Arabic and press here control 1 again and assign parameter to new field. So you got one private field Arabic. We'll delete this line. Okay. Now the next problem is what here? We are not having this method, right? So let us create this method now. Control enter, create method to Arabic. We got this method. Okay. So return 0 right now. Well, now we can say assert equal, right? What is expected? So Arabic is the expected value. What should be actual? So you should get here I, right? Sorry. This guy should return string here. Mm, yeah. Roman to Arabic. So yes, we should pass here I, and here I should get 1, right? So we'll create a constructor here. Now this constructor we will remove. So we will make it here Arabic, and we will declare this field control 1, assign parameters to this field. Okay. Yes, now it is correct. So we are passing this Roman and we are looking for Arabic here. Let us test this. Why not? So I am getting failure, right? Because this method is returning 0. Let us make it 1 here, right? Now test it again. So this time I got green, right? Okay. Now suppose we have a more test. Before writing another test, let us refactor this code. So we are on the Arabic and we can say here control. You can say here if you say control 1, you are getting inline local variable, right? So you can try like this also, or you can say here alt shift I inline. Okay, so you got inline, right? Now this has been refactored. Again we can do this one also. Let us say alt shift I and you will get inline. Okay, so this is your final test for 1. Let us create another test now, and I say this is another test we have, and say 2 convert to 2, right? And I pass here this and I say I want this, right? Let us test it. So second test is fail, first test is passed, right? But second test is failure. Why? Because we are always returning 1 here. Okay, we can write one code here and delete this code now. Say if Arabic dot equals this, return 2, else return 1. Let us test now. So this time again we are green, right? Now we want to test for another value, like say I have a 5 and I say this is 5. Okay, can we test now? Is it green? No. So we are failing it again, right? Okay, let us write another code now. So if we write for all Roman, there's a big if else constructor statement, right? So rather than doing this, we can make one enum here, and I say enum Roman digit. Okay, here we'll have some value. Say this is my 1, this is 2, and say 5, and say 10. Okay, on and so on. It's up to you. Let us create a constructor for this. not allowing. We can declare here, say private int. I can make it final here, Arabic. Okay, and then we can declare a constructor Roman digit, which is taking one argument and it is the int type, say int Arabic, right? And this dot Arabic equal to Arabic. Okay, well, now this enum will work for all this value. So instead of writing this code, we can simply write here return Roman digit dot value of Arabic, right? So whatever value will pass it here, dot Arabic, correct? So if I pass here X, I'll get 10 here, right? Because this guy will return me the value. Now let us test this. Why not? Okay. Oh, I'm getting green, right? Okay. Now this code is for all test, I think. I mean, what are the value we have given to enum? Let us try for 10. And test it. Oh, I am getting right. If you want more, just put here more values, right? Like say here, I mean, I said this is 4, right? Test it. That's what it's a test driven development. Thank you.